Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change font style and size on Vivo. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to change your font style or size, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for display and brightness. Select it, and here you just scroll down and you will get the option of font style. Just select it and here you will get some styles. Here are system font which are default and classic font. And there is another option which is download more. Here are my downloaded fonts. You just have to tap on download more and then select the font which you want to download. Here are a list of fonts, but I have already downloaded some, so I'm going to select one of them. Just select it and then tap on apply, and after that your phone's font will be changed. And here you can see my font's font has been changed, and now I'm going to change the font size. So just select display and brightness again, and here just scroll down and you'll get the option of font display and size. Just select it, and here you have the font size option. You can customize your font size, but just press and move it, and after that your font's size will be customized, and that's how you can easily change font style and size on Vivo. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.